Welcome everyone, and today we'll show you how to use PixVerse AI. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply search for PixVerse and you will get this website. And now what you should do is to simply go here down and describe the content that you want to create. So here in my case, I will simply type a small description, and here you can choose the time of the video and the resolution, in addition to the aspect ratio. And if you want to add audio, sound, or auto speech, or choose a specific style, for example, I'm gonna choose the 3D animation. And here from the duration, I will choose 8 seconds. Then here I will type, I need a video of a professor lecturing about physics, for example. Then I'm gonna hit the create button. And of course, you need to sign in using your Google account. Now, once you hit the create button, here you will see that your video is generating. And here on the left side, you can change your preferences or properties according to what you get. Here, as you can see, it got me this. It's not actually the thing that I need, but it can be modified. You can save it, you can add it to your album, you can share it, you can delete it, dislike it. So to be honest, I will dislike it. Not related. So I'm gonna type here not related. I'm gonna give them the feedback so in order to improve. Okay, now I can even add a sound, or click on auto sound, click on auto speech, and now I will type I need sound of birds in the background. This is one approach, and for the second approach, I need it to say E equal MC. I know this is not the right equation, but I cannot actually add the square. I do not know how to do it with my keyboard. So I'm gonna hit the create, and for sorry, I will have to pay. So you have only some limited credits in order to use it at once a day. So keep that in mind. And the good thing is that you can actually download the video that you have created, but it will be downloaded with a watermark. So keep that also in mind. Now here on the left side, you can see more and more options that you can go through it. You can even use some templates from the left side right here, or you can even add an image and use the image to create your own video. And you can even go back to the home and use some templates. You can add a text input, let's say add hat for each creature, for example. Then I'm gonna click on create. This is also a different approach that you can actually use the templates. Then it will generate the image or the video. It will take some time. It is not actually the satisfying result, but it is acceptable. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.